y'all already know how we do right hand, left hand. So you're gonna start hands and L's rocking to the left. 1, 2, 3, out, 4. Left hand is out, right leg is out. Then you pop into the right. 5, 6, right, left, and 7, 8. Then you're gonna stick your left hand out to the right. 1, wrap, 2, then bring it back, step back with your left. 3, whip, 4, 5, 6. That count is off. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, out, 4. Pop, 5, 6, right, left, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left, right, left. That was right, left, right. My bad. Right, left, right. And then start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Reach. 1, wrap. 2, 3, 4,